You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. A surname, originally from French, that is used in France, but also in Canada, French-speaking Canada, and also the US, famous for being the name of a famous American author, Annie. The French pronunciation is Proulx, yes, with silent L and silent X. You know, in French, final letters in words are very often just ignored, not pronounced, and it's the case here. So Proulx, therefore in English, it's often generally pronounced as Proulx. So don't worry about the L and the X, it's not Proulx or Proulx, Proulx. It's easy once you know Proulx from in French or in English, Proulx. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.